Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EcoBoost, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque, paired with a 9G speed automatic transmission. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 8-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, rear captain's chairs, third row seats. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover. This one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, a dark gray linden wood trim, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. We've got two 12.3 high resolution screens for your instrument cluster and media display. Push start ignition. New to our media display is now touchscreen, so you're able to navigate while touching the screen. This one does have navigation. A rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system, which is Mercedes Artificial Intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, it changed the ambient lighting with this simple voice command. We've got dual climate controls, a wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display, our parking camera sensors, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has very low mileage. It has 5,307 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.